Hello, Sunshine. This is Joy from Michigan in the US, and I have this painted cube that I just did not like, so we're going to re-pour that today. I'm going to do a 50-50 background, half of it white and half of it, I believe the color is ocean green. Same colors I used on my previous video, but I wanted to try a Dutch pour, so I did thin my paints down just a little bit, as that seems to work best for a Dutch pour. The thicker paints don't work as well. So I'm going to do, make sure I have paint spread all over the bottom half with white, and I covered my edges, and then I will spread the ocean green on the top. All right, so let's add some colors that we can blow out. This is the Metallic Teal by Blick. Really like this color so far. That's a lot of paint for such a small piece. Then we're going to add some of that ocean green. And now I have some of that phthalo green, which is just a lovely color. And a little more of the metallic teal, since we seem to have lost quite a bit there. Although it's there, it's just underneath everything else. And some 24 karat gold. And I'm going to blow this out. I should have known better, guys. This blow dryer is way too powerful for such a small piece. This piece would have been better done with a straw or world's smallest blower. I just completely destroyed it. I was very unhappy with the blowout. So I decided I would do a cup pour instead. So I'm layering a cup there on the left. Same colors as before. Just going to fill up a cup, and then I will do a wandering straight pour. And I'm kind of glad I switched this to a voiceover. You guys, I was very unhappy as the paint came out of the cup. I just didn't like the way it looked at all. To be perfectly honest, I was not feeling well that day. I was frustrated, not a good time to paint. I was pretty much unhappy with everything I did that day. So, lesson learned, when I'm having a day like that, maybe don't paint. Or paint just to get the emotions out, and don't try to create something you love. Or at least that's probably the best plan for me. So as I stretched it, number one, I did not pay attention to my camera. Sorry about that. You're not going to be able to see much here in a minute. I disliked it more and more, though. as I stretched it out and saw the different designs, I was really very, very unhappy with this piece. But I sought another opinion, and they said they really liked it and they thought I should keep it. And because I knew that mentally I was not in a great place to be trying to create a painting, I trusted them and I put it away in a drawer to dry. And yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys think. Is this a keeper or a scraper? So this piece dried really nicely, even though it's still not one of my favorites. I'm really struggling to decide which orientation. I feel like it really could go anyway. So tell me which way you think it goes. Where should this light blue be? I'll put it this way for now, but I'm really not sure that's the right way. Either way, here's your close-up. The lines held really beautifully. I do like some of the details here in this section. I'm not a huge fan of all the gold. I think that might be what's throwing me, but all these white, and they're actually light blue streaks, and that's what my son didn't care for. Tried to get several opinions, but all right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out on this short, maybe not my favorite pour, and I hope I'll see you guys on the next one.